Hello viewers, this is Attorney Gehi, and as usual you're watching my videos in connection with what's going on in the world of immigration. And as always, these are very educative videos for people who want to understand what is going on in immigration today. The trend right now is deportation, which means there are many people who are being deported from the United States. Now, we are going to talk about this important segment. The most common issue here would be, when are people getting deported? How are they getting deported? And how is ICE, that's Immigration and Customs Enforcement, getting to know about these people who should be deported? And what can you do if you have received a notice to appear before an immigration judge? So let's start this with some very basic examples. Let's take a simple example of a person who comes into this country and he is illegal right now in this country, came in on a visa waiver pilot program, or he came into this country on a B1, B2 visa, or he entered on an entertainer's visa, or he entered on an H1B visa, or any kind of visa, and he overstayed his visa. And after he overstayed his visa, he got married to an American citizen. After he got married to an American citizen, he applied for his documents through his wife, which means he applied for his green card through his wife. What happened when he went for the first interview before the immigration officer? The officers thought that, I don't believe that this is a good marriage. And the officer said, I'm going to schedule you for another interview, which is commonly referred to as the Stokes interview. When this couple went for the Stokes interview, which means you and your wife went for the Stokes interview, you did not pass the Stokes interview. This is the interview wherein you and your wife both were separated. Now, after you failed the Stokes interview, you are given a chance to file a motion to reopen or reconsider your case. And again, unfortunately, immigration has denied your case. Now, after this particular stage, immigration generally will send you a notice to appear before an immigration judge. What can you do to save yourself when you are before an immigration judge? There are many avenues which are adopted by lawyers in fighting immigration cases before the Honorable Immigration Judge. Our law firm has regularly handled many deportation cases over the years. And generally, you don't think that if you've received a notice of deportation, that that's the end of your game. The answer is no. You may still be eligible for relief. For example, now in your case, you went for the interview, you failed the interview. What can you do in this case? You can apply for relief before an immigration judge, wherein you can apply once again for adjustment of status. And after that, if you can pass the Stokes interview, you may still basically get your green card in the United States. Or the other strategy would be, for example, if you cannot go back to your home country because you fear persecution because of your race, or because of your political opinion, or because of your membership in a social group, under Section 208 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, you can apply for political asylum or withholding of removal or relief under the Convention Against Torture. There are many other reliefs which may be available to you. For example, you married a spouse and the spouse is abusing you. In this particular scenario, you can apply for a green card based upon a battered spouse in the United States. So remember, anytime you get a notice wherein you're asked to appear before an immigration judge, please do not think that your case has come to an end. There may be relief available to you. There may be light at the end of the tunnel. And we've helped many people fight the deportations and defend the deportations before immigration judges, before the Board of Immigration Appeals, and even before the federal court. If you have any further questions, call 718-263-5999 and come in and see me for a free personal consultation. And if you want to send us an email, my email address is www.immigrationquestion.com and my direct email address is nmgehi@gmail.com. This is Attorney Gehi. We'll be back again with some more interesting news to you from the world of immigration law.